What's up, guys? Welcome to today's episode. On today's episode, we'll be talking about how to exit safe mode. First of all, we need to ensure our controller is connected, and the controller needs to be connected to the console using the USB cable. Ensure that it's connected. Now we need to navigate using the keypad, going up and down. We need to navigate and go to the option 1 to restart PlayStation 5. Now, once we restart the PlayStation 5, we should have our console reboot back to the normal mode. Once we give it a few seconds, it's gonna restart, and now we have the logo. The game is launching, and we can expect the game to load as it would normally load. Press the PS button, and now we have our game. That's how you exit safe mode. Until the next one, see ya!